dan mematuhi instruksi dari awak kabin. Dan di dalam penerbangan ini kami menyediakan buku petunjuk keselamatan penerbangan bagi penumpang berkebutuhan khusus dalam huruf Braille. Apabila Anda memerlukan bantuan, jangan ragu untuk menghubungi awak kabin kami. Terima kasih. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dia, your cabin crew supervisor of this flight. Your name is Sriwijaya Aircraft with flight number HJ605, service to Makassar. For your safety, all carry-on items should be stowed securely in the overhead luggage bin or under the seat in front of you. Aisle, exit doors and bulkheads must be clear. We are going to deliver your cabin baggage to the cargo compartment if the size doesn't fit the stowage. Prior to takeoff and landing, please fasten seatbelt, put your seat in the upright position, pull the window shade up and lock your tray table in place. Earphone and headset must be taken out. Mobile phone and all electronic devices should be turned off and stored as a main for the aircraft navigation and communication system. If you sit next to emergency exit, please review the function for exit